It's inevitable. Age catches up with us all. For most people, this means slower movements, trouble remembering things, and joint or muscle aches. These issues can slow you down, especially if you've been active throughout your life. While some push through the pain, daily aches can make even simple tasks like walking, cooking, or gardening tough, particularly for older adults. Many of us quickly reach for painkillers when aches become severe. Though they offer temporary relief, depending too much on medication can cause long-term issues. But here's some good news. Your diet and lifestyle can naturally help ease joint and muscle discomfort, keeping you active and independent. Before we jump in, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Stay active with gentle exercises. Gentle activities like walking, swimming, or yoga significantly improve joint flexibility and muscle strength without adding strain. Regular exercise also improves circulation and mood, helping you maintain a positive, healthy lifestyle. Consider joining local senior fitness groups or following gentle exercise routines online, designed specifically for older adults. Stay hydrated. Drinking enough water every day becomes even more important as you age. Proper hydration helps your body produce fluids that lubricate joints, easing friction and pain. Staying hydrated also boosts energy, sharpens your mind, and helps prevent dizziness or fatigue that seniors often experience. Keeping a water bottle nearby can remind you to sip regularly throughout the day. Eat foods rich in vitamin C. Vitamin C helps fight inflammation, significantly easing joint pain and improving mobility. Strawberries, broccoli, oranges, and tomatoes are delicious ways to boost your vitamin C intake, benefiting joint health and immunity. Adding citrus fruits or berries to your cereal or yogurt is a simple, tasty habit to start. Include Allium vegetables. Garlic, onions, chives, and leeks, also known as Allium vegetables, provide sulfur, essential for healthy cartilage and joint repair. These flavorful veggies also support heart health, making them especially beneficial for seniors. Easily include them by lightly sautéing and adding them to your favorite meals. Increase your protein intake. Protein is crucial for repairing muscles and cartilage and maintaining strength. Lean meats, fish, nuts, beans, and legumes are all excellent sources. Regular protein intake helps maintain muscle strength, balance, and mobility, important for preventing falls as you get older. Snack on almonds, yogurt, or boiled eggs to conveniently boost protein. Add bluefish to your diet. Bluefish like tuna, salmon, and sardines are rich in vitamin D and omega-3 fatty acids, which reduce inflammation and strengthen bones. Regularly consuming these fish can help ease arthritis symptoms and protect against joint pain and fractures. Canned tuna or salmon salads are convenient, delicious options to enjoy weekly. Maintaining a balanced diet, staying hydrated, and keeping active are effective and simple ways to keep your joints and muscles healthy as you age. Now, I want to hear from you. What are your favorite methods for relieving joint pain or keeping muscles strong? Share your tips and experiences in the comments below.